Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your you and yours reading now. Aquarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Aquarius, let's start with an angel blessing card to top the reading and then we'll start your reading. So my angels, what do you have for my Aquarius now? Blessing or an advice? Oh, okay. So before I could spread the cards out, Aquarius, a card popped out for you, which is the card of movement. So either it's time for you to move either towards something or away from something, or there's a lot of movement which is coming into your life now, Aquarius. Time of thinking and stagnation seems to be over now, at least where this dynamic is concerned. So you and yours, Aquarius, is a reading for you and the person who's affecting your energy the most at this time. This could be a parent and you, could be your child and you, could be a boss, co-worker, spouse, husband, ex, secret admirer, anyone. So once you see the cards, you'll know who I'm talking about, Aquarius. So let's begin. Newbies, let me explain this to you before I begin. I'm going to be setting down two sets of cards. One is for you, one is for your person. And in the center, I'll have three cards, which will be your mutual energy or any advice or any guidance that you may need for the situation. And if you need a private reading, Aquarius, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So let's begin, Aquarius. Let's see what's going on with you now. Ace of Swords in reverse. So there's a bit of lack of clarity here about forward movement here, Aquarius. A bit of confusion going on, it seems. Let's start opening all the cards and then we start clarifying them. Eight of Wands, 10 of Cups, Hierophant, King of Swords, 10 of Wands, and the 7 of Pentacles. All right. Let's see person B. Wheel of Fortune, 3 of Swords, Queen of Wands, the Moon, 5 of Wands, and the 4 of Wands. Okay, so from what I see from person A's energy here, Aquarius, there is a lack of communication between the two of you right now. Either communication is totally halted right now or it's very, very little. There's some decisions I think that have to be made and somebody is hoping that these decisions are made in such a way that it can actually kind of heal some broken hearts here. There's wishing and hoping going on that, their things can be put right. Maybe there's been a breakup. Maybe there is a breakup in a commitment or a relationship. Things are not right at the moment, but somebody is really hoping that a decision can be made now which can end this heartbreak once and for all. They're looking for a fresh new beginning, yes. They're looking for a fresh new beginning. They're looking for their 10 of Cups to return back to them. They are looking for this commitment now to be put right once again. The same commitment which has not gone well in the past. Somebody is looking that, hey, let's begin again, because they do see their person as their happiness and they want this commitment to be put right again. So, Spirit, this Hierophant. Yes, something has happened which has kind of broken this relationship down, I think, now, Aquarius. In the past, there's been some kind of an imbalance. A lot of healing is required now for this relationship to kind of mend. Somebody went a totally wrong direction here, which led to the breakup of this dynamic here. But somebody here now, I think this is the masculine energy here, who wants to take action now. They want to rectify things, they want to heal the broken heart, they want their wish fulfillment, happily ever after back, they want to start a brand new beginning, they want their empress back, they know that they can only have fertility and growth with their person, and they are wanting now to take action in regard to their person, and they want to have some kind of clear communication, which is not happening. Okay, that's the whole problem. This communication is becoming a big barrier between the two of you, even though somebody wants now clarity, but they are still kind of hoping and wishing and waiting for this communication so that they can once and for all put this burden down now. They want somebody, yes, to lower their defenses. They don't want the other person to be that guarded with them anymore, so that they can actually move towards them, have this communication which can lead to, some very heavy burdens being dropped once and for all. So, King of Swords Spirit, what does the King of Swords want to say here? King of Swords is saying that since this structure has broken down, they're happily ever after. This could be in a family dynamic, could be a marriage, could be something, right? The King of Swords with his sword up is wanting to communicate with their person that ever since that this structure has broken down between the two of us, I have been feeling left out and abandoned and sad without you. You are my empress. Please lower your guard and please talk to me so, maybe we can heal things and maybe start again and maybe have happiness with each other once again. So these are their secret thoughts, because I don't see any communication being had with their person yet. They are desperately wanting now to get over this stress and tension and drop this burden of not talking. Yes, they are trying now very hard at crossroads. They are, I think, in isolation at the moment, planning their next move, thinking what is the best course of action now. What should I do? How should I make this work? There's a lot of planning, plotting going on. This person doesn't like the fact that they are abandoned, left out in the cold, in hermit mode, feeling lonely and sad and wanting to come out of this situation now. They just want this burden to end now with some forward movement. But the whole problem here is Aquarius, that there is no communication here, and that's what's leading to a lot of confusion here. Yes, there is no messages going back and forth. There is no understanding as to how to communicate with the other person, what to say, what should I say. There's utter confusion here, at least in the mind of person A. They really want to take back charge. They want to take back control of the situation. They want a rebirth with their partner. They want things to re-begin. And Aquarius, if you are hearing this terrible noise coming from outside, I'm sorry, there's some construction going on, okay? I'm trying my best to be as loud as possible, and I hope my voice is clear. But that's what this emperor, I think, wants to say, that, hey, hear me out now, please. I want to take back charge. I want to be back in control of our lives, where we can have this 10 of Cups once again. So let's just kind of start anew here. Let's begin again, and let's have this rebirth in our connection. But the problem here on person A side is there's a lot of confusion of what to say and how to say it. They don't know what to say because there is somebody blocking their communication maybe right now. Though they are wishing and hoping that this person will put down their wall now and allow them in. There is no communication happening in this dynamic from what I can feel at the moment. Person B has the Wheel of Fortune and the Three of Swords in reverse. Person B is also trying to heal themselves, but I think for whatever this tower moment that happened between the two of you has kind of made them feel that they should now follow their own path or their own destiny. They want to heal themselves. I think this person has been very, very hurt by whatever's happened between the two of you. It's been like a tower moment in their life when this structure broke down. They are wishing and hoping for divine guidance. They are wanting to move ahead in their life. They are wanting now to release any kind of toxic behavior which has really kind of blown up their life. They are wanting to heal their heart at the moment, and they're willing to take action for it as well. So, Three of Swords, Spirit. Three of Swords. How are they healing their heart? By rejecting any offer coming their way. Right now they feel it's their time to move ahead in their life and not... this person B is blocking. This person B is blocking person A because they feel whenever person A comes towards them, they come towards them with the promises, yes, but they all end up in being false promises. So they don't want to believe person A anymore. They want to release all this fear, doubt, anger, anxiety, heal themselves, move forward. This Tower moment has made them realize that they are quite kind of a go-getter and can accomplish a lot of stuff by themselves here. I think person B has picked themselves up and they are realizing their worth. Right? They realize that they are still very beautiful, they still attract a lot of attention, maybe they've started a new business and they're excited about that, and they are kind of, even though they're emotionally overwhelmed at the moment, they are keeping to themselves. Yes, they're keeping to themselves. They are not revealing all their secrets right now. They know that people are watching them big time. They're trying to also keep, I think, a watch on person A to see what person A is going to be doing. They still feel that person A is a little ungrounded and will not or cannot bring structure to their life. So they are being a bit, they're spying a little bit, okay? They're trying to be intelligent and use their mental faculties by using a little bit of their discernment as to what to do and what not to do. They don't want to get sucked back into a partnership which is not going to give them security or stability. Keeping a lot of secrets as well. So, or they feel maybe their partner is keeping a lot of secrets from them. They are holding back. Yes, they're holding back big time, being quiet, not talking. Yes, they are trying to keep their strength going by healing themselves and bringing a kind of a stagnancy or a halt to this situation right now. I don't think they're fighting either, okay? They just want to be left alone, to be able to work on their stability, security, move ahead. They feel that this relationship is not even worth fighting for, maybe, and I call it quits. I think this is over now. What do I fight about here? I'd rather work on my own self here. So, Four of Wands, Spirit. What is this Four of Wands for person B? They feel this could have been a marriage or a relationship, a very, very prominent relationship for person B. But the problem here is, as much as they are very happy to keep this going, now they feel that, whatever memories that have been created are not the best. They feel maybe their partner created too much conflict, too many fights happened here, and even though they feel that their partner may want to come towards them with a apology or a love offer, they don't feel that it's the right time maybe to move ahead with them. They know that things have kind of stagnated or halted. The Wheel of Fortune is in reverse where this connection is for them. Why is the wheel? Do they want this for a one, Spirit? What do they want? What does person B want from this connection now? Are they hoping for this Wheel of Fortune to move together with their partner? No, they're still very angry right now, Aquarius. This feminine is still very, very upset and they're very angry because something disrupted their happiness and their security. I think there's been too many fights here. Things have kind of halted. They know that their partner wants to come and apologize, but they're still wrapped up in all the bad memories now created in the past for them. all the fights, the bickering. They don't want to be involved in anything which is going to disrupt their happiness, their forward movement now. They're trying to release all this now and maybe, move ahead in a happier space for themselves. So right now there seems to be a little bit of disparity here. Person A is wanting to come back but confused about how to take this offer forward. Person B is not really interested right now. They are just being a little watchful. They're keeping an eye open. They haven't ended this either, to be honest. But there's just a little lack of clarity here between the two of you because there's no clear communication. So let's see what's in your mutual energy. A lot of sadness, offers not being accepted at the moment, and that's the reason there's a little bit of sadness and depression and upset going on. Both feeling very overburdened and heavy with this connection right now. There's a lot of solitude, feeling bored, sad, rejected, dejected, feeling heavy in this connection, not feeling their top. Yes, but somebody here is I think working on their own stability here and being very mindful of protecting their energy at the moment. This person is, I think, now gone into self-love. They are trying to manifest the best situation for themselves. They are not doing it from a cup, it's not that Queen of Pentacles with the Queen of Cups where this person is still in their emotions. Yes, this person is beautiful, is a loving, caring, nice person, but they're also very intelligent. And right now they're using their mind to know the truth before making any decision. They have their sword up. They're not going to just kind of succumb to any offer that's made to them. They are going to be very mindful of what is going to give them the best investment for their future and their security. Both of you, I think, are wanting things to be out in the open now, but I think whenever you guys try, it kind of ends up in a fight here. What's this Knight of Swords spirit? Knight of Swords? What's this Knight of Swords? There's still a bit of imbalance going on here, Aquarius, I'll be honest with you. Person A, I think, is very upset and angry that person B is now releasing the connection. They are absolutely not happy. They feel their wishes have not come true. And person B here is feeling that they have to release this connection because there is no equal give and take in a partnership. So they are not happy either. So whenever I think you guys come together, even to try and rectify it or have some communication, have some clarity going forth, it doesn't, kind of bring any clarity because it always ends up in a fight here. So there has to be something, or maybe a mediator could help, I don't know. So there's a lot of waiting and watching going on, so that this fight can finally end. This fight is going on and on, even though there is a full chance, because person A here really wants person B back, but person B doesn't have that trust left in person A anymore that this can work out. So because swords are now raised, look at the amount of swords here. Because these swords are raised, whenever this masculine reaches the feminine here to have a conversation, another sword is raised and it ends up into a fight. Okay, so that's the dynamic going on here. You guys will have to move forward one way or the other, either with each other or separately. I don't know here, Aquarius. It will depend on your individual circumstance here. So that's all I have for you here right now. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.